One of the treatments we offer here is the Lipofirm Pyramid Facelift. The process of the treatment is utilising 3 technologies. So we've got the tripolar technology, dynamic muscle activation, and we've also got the trifractional technology, which is microneedling. So here at Sarah Dale, we're committed to finding the best possible solution to people's skin problems. So Sarah and the team are committed to finding the most advanced medical machines. Advanced aesthetic solutions helped us to find a machine that was affiliated medically. It's got medical test papers attached to it, and we know that it's proven to help to tighten the skin, help to brighten, and also to help to plump the layer of the dermis within the skin. So the benefit of what I'm doing now is utilising radiofrequency, which helps to produce collagen within the skin. This works by causing your existing fibres of your collagen to contract, which is going to mean that the skin looks plump and tighter, and it also helps to grow new collagen by producing fibroblast cells. So the second component of the treatment is called the dynamic muscle activation, or shortened to DMA. This part of the process helps to tighten the muscle by causing electrical pulses to tighten and strengthen the muscle. So the contractions that you can see here feel like a little pulse going through the skin, and you can see the physical contortion on the face. Most clients say that this is fairly comfortable, but it's something that we want to be able to treat the surface of the skin, the middle of the skin, the dermis, which is what we call the structure or the scaffolding of the skin, but then also deeper down by getting the muscle. With this treatment, this contraction is actually called a supramaximal contraction. A supramaximal contraction is something that we cannot achieve without use of machinery, but it creates a very strong, very definite movement of the muscle. Many of our clients find the lower half of the face a problem area, so the jowl area, so we actually do a treatment called the jowl lift, which will allow us to contour and to tighten the lower face. The third part of the pyramid treatment is the microneedling process. Microneedling is so important for the skin because it creates controlled injury. So tiny little wounds that are created by micro pins will help the stimulation of collagen. This is everybody's individual pins. Every patient is given an individual pin which helps to keep hygiene to max. Microneedling is a really successful treatment within the aesthetic industry. What many people don't know, that it's important to utilise radiofrequency with microneedling. This allows the little microchannels to stay open for an hour rather than a minute. If the micro wounds only stay open for a minute, it's not going to initiate the correct healing, and it's the healing that's going to help to produce new collagen fibres, which is going to create dense, fresh and plump skin. So the downtime of the microneedling part of our pyramid facelift is minimal. So we usually say clients can experience redness for usually up to 48 hours. We find that the little micro wounds, which are barely visible, will be on the skin around 7 days. We say that we can pop on a topical mineral makeup after a couple of days just to cover the redness if it's needed. Another thing that's important alongside our pyramid facelift treatment is the aftercare. Aftercare is so important because we want you to get the best results because of your investment in the treatment. We recommend Medicate as a product because of its benefits within the skin. It's actually transferring down to the second layer of the skin, which is the same depth as a treatment. That's why we really research with our products, because we want to make sure that it's going to help to work together with the treatment to get the best possible results. So with our microneedling, we have 2 components. The first component is the Voluderm. This component helps to volumize the dermis, and the dermis is what we call the scaffolding of the skin. We want the dermis to be as fibrous and as dense as possible. This is going to create a nice plump look of the skin, what we associate with youthful skin. The trifractional part of the microneedling is used for the surface. So this is when we use the treatment for acne scarring, for fine lines and wrinkles and pore size, because this is what we see on the top layer of the skin.